Still alive. Yes, I am. In that place to get to this one. Now, some might still be in that place. Trying to get out. Just follow me.
I don't give a damn what you think. I'm doing it for me. The fucking world feeding beings is gassed up. You think it's stopping me? I'ma be what I said out to be. But God, I'm tired of waiting on this. Down on me, I'm tearing down your balcony. Going back to myself, I'm asking why, how can he? I'm infinite down and I'm asking that time when we still standing. Whether you know it's time to be paid out of me until he bows out of me, sticks his piles out of him. Whichever comes first, for better or worse. He's married to the king, like a puppy for Christmas. His gift is a curse. I get the earth and got the earth and all the people in the dirt. And fuck the whole universe. Stay and stay. Stay and stay. Everybody, it's together through the storm. Whatever weather. Let it go, let it go. Until I say this is the shit that cut the crap. I shouldn't have the hell of these words in the rhythm. But you would know it's a rap. You said you was king, you lied through your teeth. For that, fuck the feelings. Instead of king, crown your king cap into the pants. I'll never let you down again. I'm back. I promise to never go back. Let's take on some plans. Relax, see what's there. Perhaps I'm random accents. Relax, I'm going back to that now. All I'm trying to say is get back to black cloud. Cause I ain't playing around. It's a game on the circle. I don't know how. Wait to go to back down. All I think I'm still trying to figure this crap out. All I had it mapped out, but I guess my team is fucking black clouds still follows me around. But it's time to exercise these demons. These motherfuckers are doing jumping jacks now. Stay and stay. Stay and stay. Everybody, everybody, don't take money. Don't take money. This together.
Why didn't your father's driver drop it?
What kind of stupid question is that one? Eh? Sisi? What kind of stupid question is that? Do you want to be my father's driver? Eh? Abi, you won't take the beating we're supposed to give that Okada. Why they vex and not even beat her away? You want to come? Not try me, oh. I don't craze before. 2 weeks madness. If you let her come back, you no go like me. What kind of nonsense is that?
Lucy, you like trouble too.
You still they talk? Oh, you still they talk?
Lucy, it's okay. You know you can't go in like this. You're so dirty.
I didn't move now. Don't let me vex. Don't let my madness come back. You hear me? I feel go like this. I'm good now. I think I've cleaned up now. Right?
Let's go. You are okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Jovi, I've noticed this attitude of yours since morning. What is the problem?
I had a very bad dream concerning Brother Jerry.
What happened?
In the dream, some policemen shot him and some guys brought back his court.
Babe, forget that matter. It's not my brother. It's not possible. It's not his portion.
Brother Jerry,
what is it?
I have something very important to discuss with you.
Please, I've been through stress today, okay? Just say whatever you want to say. I don't have time.
I had a bad dream about you last night. Where some policemen shot you and some guys brought your corpse back home. I don't know what happened, seriously.
What?
I told you that dream does not count. I'll not tell you. Forget about the dream now, babe.
Listen to me. Nobody can kill me. I am Jerry Amusu. Not immortal or mortal can kill me. Even the killer benefit try. 55 bullets at dodge arm. What are you talking about?
They don't do. No need. Say you the year I think they tell you since now. Not the same thing they tell you now.
Listen to me, baby sis. Nobody can kill me. Just forget about that stupid dream of yours and go inside and get me my food. Hey baby, did you do the laundry I asked you to do for me?
Yes, I did.
Oh God, thank you. Alright.
See, I'm very happy that the hints went successful. Hey, Jerry, based on logistic, about what you said your girl told you, I think we should look into that business because it sounds to be a very good business that a lot of profit will come out from it.
Look, I know we all love money, but that's not the way it is. This is an ordinary game. This game is more than the eyes can see or what you think. I don't think it will work.
My baby, I don't know you to be a weakling. Are you afraid now?
Me afraid? What for? It's not about being afraid. Come rain, come sun. I promise you, we need to be very watchful. Our steps ought to be calculated. Or else, you know what happened to other people in other countries. And you know, if we don't calculate, we lose.
Baba G, You're right on this one. You see, I've been thinking this deal through for past 2 days now. Alright, and I've come to a conclusion that it will be wise I call in my girlfriend into this. I mean the one that works at the firm. She needs to be part of this plan. She needs to be part of us. I mean to plan this deal through with us. So I need to get her involved. You understand?
Yes.
You know, the deal we're talking about here is a deal of 200 million naira. And not a 45 million naira Porsche car which Davido bought for one girl. I'm not talking about that.
Baby, we need to transmit ourselves, to transform. Do you feel me so?
I feel you.
My love, this is our game. We've been playing it for a long time. All we need to just to be careful on this one. That's all. What do you think?
Baby, your lines they bust my brain. Your lines they make my head they catch fire. See how they feel you. You know what? No time to check time. Let me go and call my girlfriend. She needs to be part of this plan. She needs to be here so she plans this deal with us. You understand?
Please.
Papa Jeno Lele.
Please, just go and call her. Okay?
Let me be a more so that AKA Jeremy, nothing they saw.
Just
no.
Go.
Let me go and call my girlfriend. You understand? Mama J!
My love.
Babe! Come on now. Why are you looking rough?
It's a long story, but I need to go home.
You didn't keep to your promise. You told me you were going to come and see me on Sunday, but you didn't come. Why?
Oh, that's true. Not true. I forget. No vex. I went hustling now, babe. I need change for my life. You know, say even Nigeria self is still there for change. Me, I don't want to among the lazy youth, so no vex, eh?
Well, not true to touch, Sha. So what's the way forward now? When you will see.
I get your contract. I'll call you later.
Babe, take a miss you.
Come out from my front, vanish from my front. You get right to stop me. You get mad. Come on from my front, face. And try to make come off my front. You sit there, yeah.
Come on for road. I didn't trouble you. Fine.
I said vanish, fly. See this turtle. See this Peking.
Oh, fine, babe, sell and give her my phone.
You know what, come on. You know what, come on. You sit there. Grace, I talk to you. Carry your God face. Stand for my front. You know the fear face, you know the look face, you shop witch. I mean, you don't know me for this area. Now vanish.
Hey.
See this Pikino. See this Pikino.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
I said, come on. You know what, come on.
No, another level.
You the showman show for me. You don't know me. You don't know me for this town. You know what, come out, Abi?
I would run this house. Let's try. The guy don't even get.
You know what, come out, Abi?
Shower.
You know what, come out, Abi? Stay there. You know what, come out, Abi?
Why would they run this area? I start with the fire, so. Babe, give her trouble. Sell and give her. One know they run this house.
You know what, come on.
For this town. Yes, sir. Come on, design your face for you. God promise you. Finish for you. Finish for you. I promise you. You know the year about you for this town. I'm telling you. Come on, design your face for you. I will design it. You can change to the world beyond. Baby, see how I don't hide for your face. But wait now. Your goat's face. Make her design your face for you. For put mark for your face. Tribal mark for your face right now. See this woman rapper. I beat him. Go carry woman like her. Come fight me. No, they hear my name for this town. You for come now for design your face for you. Man, design your face for you. So
no mind them. Where would they go? I beg. No mind them. Not to see. I beg. Where they go?
I die where?
Yeah. Where you want to see? Can't die. Where they go?
Look at past you again. You cannot have to do this again.
Sorry, we're late. Okay, I had to go to her mother's house to pick her up. Unfortunately, she hadn't returned back from work. So that's why we came late, huh? Don't worry, the most important thing is she's here. She's here.
How you doing now?
If I do.
How work?
Work this stressful. What we do now? We just dey try move hustle the matter.
Exactly.
Like so we join the lazy youth. It's nothing.
But it's a bonus.
Yeah, that's good. But the main purpose really here is what your guy told us. That you own it. You want to know everything. All of it. Integrity. The whole area. Catch fire, not be smoking, and I tell you, we don't risk our lives for it. You hear me? That's what it is.
But yeah, I get your point, you understand. Well, nobody knows see my shopping mall where I work to promote that kind of money every weekend. The money we talk about big, 200 million per street. So, nine with the matter.
$200 million. That's a lot of money, and we can't let it slip our fingers.
Wait though. I hope say assurance covers us, Abi.
Assurance cover.
Because we need assurance to achieve more.
Assurance, I don't everywhere get tight.
You are the in-house person. All always independent. Don't tell me. I'm not going to say all of that.
But yeah, you know how they go now. You've heard from her. She's my girlfriend and I trust her, okay? And this no be today me and she don't run package like this. As the matter be now, matter don't soft. You don't understand? Come on, let's split fire, no time. Let's go into action, baby. You know what I think we should do is let's just, now she's here, let's plot a graph on how we'll do this deal, okay?
Later we'll give me the plan so that I can show you.
Sure.
Oh yeah, before that, maybe let's enter the place.
I don't know what to... Come on.
Let's get later now.
I saw you with that girl called Black. I'm saying, they plan to join the evil group. Saying that then they cause all the whole problem what they happen for this area. I know why they tell you. Saying I used to they wear pint too. My pint no can talk when they wear you. I make how they tell you.
I mean, they tell this one. Black matter na small matter na my cheek here, but nothing they solve, nothing they happen, really. Do you understand? Based on one or two, I don't stay this area till I know what they happen. I not be JJC for this area now. I be old meat for the town now. I understand. So I can take care of myself, nothing they solve, don't worry.
You talk and so I believe you, but why I just run and give you now because say no only you be the friend why I give for this area. I don't want me anything happen give you. I make I tell you.
My baby got my back. No worry, nothing dey solve, eh? Like I see, I tell you, I don't grow. I no longer be the issue with you. Levels don't change. Based on 1 or 2, levels don't change.
I believe you.
I can take care of myself. Thank you, you got my back. Forget about that girl. What's up? We'll talk about parole. After that hustling, after that matter.
Baby, that parole no show at all.
For waiting now?
They're not just serious at all.
After all the gingering?
Yeah, forget those people, they're not serious. Next time they run that kind of small parole now.
So you have to stop your drive again now. It's not a good thing.
I don't know how to take now.
What was the meaning of that? Eh? Why is this Lucy of a girl so arrogant? Why is she so full of herself?
My dear, I can't tell. Maybe she knows the guy or something.
That is a lie. That is a big lie. She always tells us her dad is a very wealthy man, known in this town. But up to date, we don't even know his name. Come to think of it, yesterday she fought with a common bike man just because he splashed water on her. Eh? That your friend is a big liar. You see?
That's her business. Please let's look for bike and go home.
Right here. Is that place wine door? Yeah. I'm fine, thank you. Oh, okay, thanks. My name is Elle, baby.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, baby. So what's the meaning of it?
Oh, I don't mean L like L. Maybe L means love or Lucy, baby.
Really?
Yes.
It's a wonderful. It's like this we don't want to.
So why is this essay? It's like this essay is not cooling. Is that the highest?
It is.
Huh?
It is. I've been working on it.
Okay. It's the highest. That means it's not a good car because my father's car, my daddy's car. Before you drive from here to the next junction, everything will be so cold. Everywhere will be chilly. You'll be catching cold. You'll be freezing.
Really?
Yes. Yeah.
What kind of car is that?
It's a very big Jeep, a big car. It's a Jeep now. A Jeep is a Jeep now. Hey, stop. Why are you taking me to my father's house now? That's my father's house. Do you want to put me in trouble? What kind of thing is that one? You know you are getting close to my father's house and you are going close to my father's house. Do you want my father to deal with me? What kind of thing is that one? Please stop me, I want to come down.
I'm sorry, you have not told me that.
Why will you not know it's my father's house? That's my father's house. Look at that very beautiful building. That's where I live. Don't put me in trouble, please.
Which of the house?
Can't you see that fine beauty there? That is my father's house.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Please.
You want my daddy to catch me now, my dad will not start giving me problem.
Please calm down. You are not adult now. Why will you?
I don't know. My dad does not like seeing me with man. Oh, he doesn't like seeing me with man. And you know you are close and you want to put me in trouble. What kind of thing is that one? Please let me calm down, please. What car? That AC is not even coming. My dad's car is bigger than this. Put AC.
Sorry, please, can I at least have your number?
Number? No, don't call me. Don't worry. This car, I will just you can give me your own or something. You have a card, give it to me. I'll call you later. I'll send it a WhatsApp message. Don't worry. Or you can follow me on Instagram. L for love / L for love. Yes, that's my name. Yes, open this call. L for love / L for love _ L for love. So you can open this call for me, please. Let me calm down.
Yes, our father.
Joe, how you don't be now? Where you go like this now?
I want to buy something. I don't try your number since you know they go. What did they happen?
How you go say they try my number? My number they go now.
I don't try your number.
Not true. Not true. No vex. Not true. My number not they connect. Not true. No vex. So I don't understand.
How far now? When you dey come see my friends for the matter what we talk?
You and your friends, you still worry for their matter again.
If I introduce you, see you go thank me later.
Thank waiting.
You need to meet this people, now correct me.
You sure?
Yes. So you dey want to pay?
I'm gonna leave on tomorrow. Tomorrow.
May your tomorrow be tomorrow.
Don't worry. Okay. You might try my phone go on now.
No.
John. Later, I just come for school. I go change. You know, sleep.
Say you dey hot. Say you hot. Oh.
It's okay, guys. I'm okay with the plan. Yes. I mean anything for money, I can do it. I can do anything for money. So far, we don't keep person again.
Yeah, baby, I trust you. I know you can deliver. That's why I brought you in.
Heartless girl. Dalunjong Madusha.
Take a look at these pics. This one I mean now. Hey, bye.
We're going to make you look like her. In that way, we can deceive the police. Follow them to where the money is. They will think she's the one. Ambush them. And the link road. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. And, we take the money, take them out, and we leave. Swift. That's the way it is.
Wait. Does it mean you are going to kill them? Are you afraid of blood?
I wonder. I said we take them out.
Take am easy now. Why did you look me like that? I just had a simple question. Anyways, how am I going to do my hair? What will I do to my hair?
Don't worry, baby. I'll take care of that. I'll make arrangements.
So far, our money will go collect and I'll go run am.
My baby will fix you.
Because if animal fit even take 30 million, not to talk about we will be higher animal. Are they game? I'm game.
Yeah, baby, you got the spirit. Higher animals.
You know what? That is what they call insurance, baby. You are insurance.
be only snake and monkey go dey. We too go dey swallow too.
Of course.
Now my head
Property M.
Now my head money with it.
Everywhere good.
Everywhere soft.
Even the one that's
Talk again. See, if you try talk again, I will go to slap. You say talk, I will change and follow you now. Man will be a for a match again.
Guy, you dey craze. So if they send you now, say slap me, you go fit do am.
So you see they talk now. You see you gotta leave and they talk abi.
Ha! I don't suffer. I don't say good mood today. I don't just know why. I don't know why. If I for change that for you.
Man will hear pin for your match. Man will follow you for here now. Why they be you now? I will load this slap here now.
You go look me.
You see they talk oh. I this girl oh. What they give you? See.
See, I will change that for you.
You will change that for me. You will change that for me. You will change that for me.
I will change that for you. Who born you? Who you be? What be your name? You get name? Where they run they go now? I can't fight. Babe, leave her come. Leave her. Babe, no mind now.
How you been? I hope you're okay.
I'm okay, Jared. Yes. I'm okay. Nothing to say, no to fine. In the place.
No. You don't need to like me. You're my correct chick now. You're my babe, my chain case.
Lie, I didn't feel you.
Anyway, Shama run about.
Thanks. Nothing to you.
Lucy's calling.
Any good news? Okay.
So, what is the plan?
We have listen.
Alright, good. See, from the map we've all studied, if you check from the time frame, the time we're gonna get to the shopping mall, and the drive from that shopping mall to this place is gonna take us like 10 minutes drive. So whatever we have to do, we have to hurry up. We need to tighten up our seatbelts very well, alright? And give some knuckles. This teaching time says 9. give me the tools.
Definitely.
Seven minutes. Kick ass. 7 minutes. We whoop them. We beat them to pieces.
I suspect this second point. There are no real policemen. I think we just slow down. I wind down. Then if they notice you, then you can go. Because of what you have here.
What did they talk? What are you saying? What do you carry? Don't worry now. That is what we will do.
I think that is the car coming. I think that is the car.
Yeah, that's the car coming. Information 124. Exactly. You know what? I'll make the first move. I'll go first.
Stop the car! I said make you stop the car now. Okay, stop the car. Stop this car. Let me talk to them. Make I talk to them.
How would I do now? Where would they go? No, we know they talk like that. We can't go for meeting. We're undercover policemen for special squad.
I don't want you! Come here for that one! Get out! Who are you? Come on, who are you? Get out! Are you moving out? I don't want you! Stop! We're undercover policemen for special people. Where's your ID card, my friend?
You're a policeman. Policeman?
Yeah. Well, which division? Open that door. You move, don't move. Shut up there, my friend. I go fire your head now. Move in. Go.
Officer Bansi!
Let's go.
Shut up and lie down now!
Yes. Armed robbers, please. Hurry up.
Yes.
There's a problem. I just got a call from Bass's phone that the policemen have the ambulance on their way to the bank from the mall.
What? How about the money? What exactly happened?
The caller said that she recognized the ACP, that she was among the robbers. In fact, she was the one that gave them the information to shoot Bassi.
Where exactly did this incident take place? Why was the mall cashier not shot? Where is Bassi now?
Sir, that I can't tell now because I was on call when you walked in. So I decided to give you the information first.
How will Madam Philomena take my boy to the mall with the money to a checkpoint and order that my boy will be killed? I think there is something really fishy.
Just recognize
me. He did not recognize me.
No, just cool. Just calm down.
Let me ask. What's the guy?
Calm down. Baby, calm down.
Stop. Officer. And we're going.
Officer, how are you? How you doing?
It's me.
My friend, no, who employ you? You know, knows that we'll be policemen. We'll be undercover policemen.
Don't you know me?
Come up here, make we go.
Yeah. Well done, eh?
Make we go.
Chief! Move it! Go! They're coming! Let's go! They're coming! Open the door for me! Open the door! Go!
Listen, for us to play safe right now, what we do, don't worry, they're far away. We're going to go through a bush path. From that bush path, we're going to head on to Ghana village. Across the river, there's a boat. It will take us to our village. And then, when we get to our various villages, we split. Okay?
Okay. We should be safe. Follow me now. Eh? Follow me now. Now wait till she both get stay lost for Sambisa village. I mean, I know they still say this place look at Sambisa village. We should be this one now.
What will you?
Based on logistics, this is
what will you?
here. When I come, I know they see.
What will you? This is not for you. Come, carry this money, come on here now. Yes, every time to the house. Come, if anything stop that, move, talk. Let's go. Go, let's go.
Wait, is that not the ACP's uniform?
That is it.
Yes. Look at their footprint. I believe they took this direction. If that is the case, we have to track them through the other side of the river, Ekene River.
Do you think that is the best thing?
Yes, I think that is best now.
Officer, let's go. Wait. Listen. Woman! Where's your uniform? Eh?
Did you see me when I took it off?
No, I was a foot!
I took it off. I took it to avoid blood that touched the heart. Besides, where the river? You told us we are close to the rivers. I'm tired.
You know, worry for worry. What is wrong with you? Oh, listen, the river is far from me, okay? But we'll get there very soon. Alright?
Since the guys, Lucy, I be waiting they call you. I beg, don't just leave this. Don't just leave this domot because this Ekene fit miss us here and it's not good for any of us. I beg, we may just leave this place like right now. I beg.
Hey, that way.
This way, right?
Let's go. Move.
Inspector! Yes, sir. Take these criminals aside. They will be held on detention until those who don't. What's that?
I'm innocent. I'm not one of them, sir.
Sir, please, we are innocent. I can't lie about a thing like this.
I'm sorry. This is an order from above. There is nothing I can do. Take them inside.
Yes, sir. Move. Go inside. Move.
Oh wow, this country don't tire person. How can the DPO instruct the arrest of his own officer simply because he said what he saw?
Wait, how can you conclude with them? Do you know who is telling the truth?
I know Basi, he can't lie. They should look into this matter before executing judgment.
Miss Lawyer, face your work. Or do you want to do the work of the DPO?
No. How can you ask me that?
Then mind your business before you put yourself into trouble.
Oh,
I've said my own.
Oh, I hear you.
As a good colleague.
I hear.
See, I never even finish your work. You dey do Anuku. I beg, finish this work.
Mary, I called you here because of a pressing issue.
Someone is impersonating me. And that person is about to tarnish my image.
Actually, I heard that information too. As a matter of fact, I was about calling you before your call came in. And that is exactly why I rushed down immediately after we spoke.
Oh, you heard?
Yeah.
Do you know I have been in this office all day, only to get a call from my DPO that I and some boys attacked his boys and a financial secretary of a mall and made away with some millions of naira. What? How can I do that from my office?
That's such a grievous utterance. What could possibly make the DPO lay such an allegation against you? A very serious one at that.
I don't know. But he said he's coming with one of the officers that survived the bullet injury and also the financial secretary of the mall.
Oh, that is very perfect. In that case, I have to stay back until he comes here. And then know how to take up this case.
That will be fine. Thank you, I will appreciate.
ACP, this is a very serious case.
Officer, that's the road that leads to the river.
Sir, are you sure? Are you sure this is the right way to the river?
That's the road. I believe since they are taking through the other side, they will pass through the river. So let's ambush them from here.
I think we should go back to the DPO. I think we should go back with the uniform we picked. That will serve as an evidence. Because if any of us dare enter this bush, we are not coming out alive. I don't want to die in serving Nigerian police. Shut up, Shut up, just keep quiet. Have you forgotten that we are highly paid for this job? What is wrong with you? For your information, police is only meant for peacemaking. We are not trained to enter a bush and start opening fire with high-profile criminals. Shut up your mouth! You are a disgrace. You are a disgrace to the Nigerian police force.
Oh, please, officers, we don't have time for this argument. Let's go before these criminals escape. There is no time, officers. Let's go. Let's go.
Abeg, I'm tired. What is this now? Even Sabisa Forest better pass this one.
I've been wanting to call you. Have you been to Sabisa Forest before? To know that place is better than this place. Why do you always not like to talk too much?
Who they talk? Oh, now you they talk, T-Boss. Oh, because you bear the name, you feel like boss, abi? You just they make noise, they run your mouth like tap. Listen, I don't take too much of your insult. One day I go light your score. I go change that for you. You where you they craze? You just they run your mouth like tap. You they craze? I go change that for you. I be say this one a big brother house when you say insult is allowed. Take your time, man. Don't light sleep. I mean, sleep. Besides, you guys didn't even tell me that this picture is for the strong. What is all this now? You carry off come and can't die. There's no sense with this one. This one they make noise.
Listen, no play for Moscow. This one no be shoot dead mama fly. As my girlfriend Plug always talk say, this one no be bobo juice. this matter, no matter for the strong. And only the strong they survive. So if anybody, be you man or woman, you say you want wrong, go back. If you go buy you. So as the matter be, go by the time you complete this mission, you hear me so, or else you go regret all your effort go just waste like that. You hear me so?
So this one your plan, Abi? Huh? Your plan, Abi? Make I tell you, if you know somebody will die, but it's not me. When we go die, you know why? Because my blood is too bitter for you to live.
Lick me not, huh?
Look, I begin lick on a nyash. Now what I have to take watch my nyash. I to tell you, look, we're almost near the river. The most important thing is how we
imagine. Oh, so you don't even get what you go. You say cross the river, you carry us come here, come die. So now your plan is so I will go die, Abi? So that we go die. This talkative. You see, if I was you slap for this forest, if I was you slap, thunder and lightning going to do the hazard for your face. And for your information, if you don't want me to be your boss in this gang, you back off. Fool! Let's get out of this place. Idiot!
Let me try to do again. Man,
of your senses. It is obvious you to talk too much. But you know what? You cannot tarnish my image. Because before you do that, I will make sure you rot in jail. Now for the last time, who did you say you saw with your boys that ordered the policemen to shoot you and your colleagues? Speak!
Madam, I can't lie to you, sir. It was you, I'm very sure.
What? How dare you? And you? Mrs. Secretary, you claimed I came with my boys to rob you. And we took you out with the money, right? Now tell me, how come I killed my boys and spared your life? How come? Are you my sister? Are we related?
Madam, it is just by the grace of God.
Then use that grace of God to tell the DPO here that I want to what you saw. For crying out that I've been in this office all day long. I come to work by 8 a.m. I leave here by 8 p.m. From what you said this incident happened at about 10 to 11 a.m. So tell me, who is fooling you? Speak!
ACP, you really need to calm down and take things easy. Trust me, this case needs a lot of wisdom.
These two idiots need to be arrested. Now, make sure you take these fools and make sure they cough out all the necessary information we need. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And make sure they do not escape. Else, you will face the consequences.
Yes, sir. Sir, I assure you, we'll get to the root of this matter. As I'm talking to you now, my boys are out there searching for these hoodlums.
Now take them out of here. Leave my sight.
Now move. Move.
Madam.
My cap. You see my cap? Oh, now that's dirty bush. Yeah. When they help me this girl, when they talk about dirty sweat and all those things, that make me lose this, Yeah. Can you imagine? And if I look at some man in all the cases, this girl, yeah, who work any time, I say, I tell you go pay for that. All my cap, my jewelry, everything.
Having your chase.
Everything, man.
On the way.
Because of your confusion, you don't worry, girl. You go buy everything if you know get any share of that money. And you tell you to. That nonsense. My black and my gold, everything. And that watch, now my wife give me that watch. That's a river over there. But I don't think there's a boat there. I don't know.
What is he saying? You don't think there's a boat here? And you brought us here to die? What's that? If you want to kill me, kill me! Is this a life? Is this life? What is this? You don't think there's a boat and you don't think there's someone there to cruise the boat for us? What kind of thing is this? What have I gotten myself into? What is this? What? Shut up. Mr. Anuku for once, just shut the hell up. Tell me to shut up. Shut up. You shut up. Have we get there? Wait, let's get there. We might find the boat. If you want to die, you die here. What is your problem? You're my problem. Talk too much. You talk too much too. What kind of rubbish is this?
Hold on, guys. I can hear a noise. A footstep approaching. It's someone in uniform! That's the police! They kill him!
I know how you feel, but you just have to calm down, okay? You need to treat this matter with a lot of caution. For somebody to be able to use another person's image and name to steal such an amount of money, I tell you, that person must be very smart and calculative. You need to be very careful.
But come to think of it, how can someone use the image of someone else's face to commit an ugly act? An ACP for that matter. This is serious.
Madam, you amaze me. You of all people by now should know that life is full of surprises. And you should expect the unexpected at any time. Like I said earlier, you need to be very careful. Very, very careful. But not to worry, we'll get to the root of all this. Okay? We just have to. We will. We just have to.
Inspector.
Yes, sir.
Take these criminals aside. They will be held on detention until those good dogs are.
No, sir. I'm innocent. I'm not one of them, sir.
Sir, please, we are innocent. I can't lie about a thing like this.
Sorry. This is an order from above. There is nothing I can do. Take them inside.
Yes, sir. Move. Move. Go inside. Move.
Oh, wow. This country don't tire person. How can the DPO instruct the arrest of his own officer simply because he said what he saw?
But wait, how can you conclude with them? Do you know who is telling the truth?
I know Basi. He can't lie. They should look into this matter before executing judgment.
Miss Lawyer, face your work. Or do you want to do the work of the DPO?
No, nah. How can you ask me that?
Then mind your business before you put yourself into trouble. I've said my own.
Oh, I hear you.
As a good colleague.
I hear.
See, I never even finish your work. They do Anuku. I beg, finish this work.
Hey! Oh, Jerry's number is not going. His number is not going. No. Could it be that the police has ambushed them? No. I asked them, I gave them the plans. Hey! Still switched off. What should I do? What should I do?
That is like no be chance play. No be more. True? I never seen this kind of one before. I didn't know it was that. I didn't know it was that difficult now.
If it wasn't for the fact that we were strong enough, well, for a long time now, tell you.
Anyway, now wait for the strong. You still remain the strongest. Right?
Well, I'm very happy this whole operation went successfully. We conquer, as usual. I'm very happy it went successfully. Black baby, come on, tell us what is happening at the shopping mall.
Jerry, me, eh? This case no be moi. This case no be bobo juice.
Eh?
One of our cashier and one policeman wey sustain injury from your bullets. They dey police custody.
Eh? Wait, you mean now? You mean all the ratata? Why give that police guy? The guy still there alive? Survived my bullet. Me, Jerry, aka Amosu, my bullet.
I dey tell you the truth, Jerry. This one, you dey hear the talk. The matter now be say still dey police station because the both of them recognize the ACP. So now make the Inspector General of Police under the arrest. Say me they still remain there. Problem there.
Wait, Black. You don't work for police station? Yes! How you take now about all these things? Okay, what is this information where they give us now? What if say they wrong?
Jerry, you don't forget now for shopping mall they work. Not be where they work. And the information where they reach us.
That's that one that looks like me now. They recognize her. Hey. So what are we going to do? What are we going to do?
think the best thing to do now is for us to share the money so everybody will find their way.
Better.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what it is. In fact, I'm going to disguise myself, moving to another state, and probably start a new business.
Eh? Bros, hold down for that. Disguise waiting. What if they disguise? What about me? You go disguise yourself, change your face. What about me when they use it? You know, see that policewoman? That girl, now me be that one. Oh, you won't leave me here so that let me go face the consequences, Abi? Now what do you want to do, bros? It not gonna happen. It not gonna happen. Oh my man, what is that now?
Baby, calm down. Every time your blood will do, calm down for once. Nobody is abandoning you and neglecting you, okay? Let's share the money, Paul. Later we'll go reason, we'll talk matter. I got your back, okay?
See, to prove our sincerity, we are going to take an oath to protect each other in case police get any of us. We will not mention each other's name. If we do, that person will die. Huh? Yes, that is the only solution there.
Yes, I agree with you. She's right. The fact remains, we don't know where to take the road. Where we're going to take that road.
Baby love, relax. Just relax. I know one man. He's a very strong native doctor. He will do it for us. Yes.
You know, so your lines, they always bust my brain. And every time they talk, they enter my cerebellum. See, are they in line with you, they talk, Are they game? When will they go there?
You won't go take Otun. I want to escape this thing because of Ot, Abi. And I want to use Ot to escape her. Anyway, shall not blame me. I'm not blaming. Now you laugh like on my own chenkers. Now you go involve me for this nonsense. Now if you make me vex now, to slap your face, design your face, and your face to face the same color. What kind of rubbish is this one now?
Calm down now.
No, tell me to calm down, smash am there. Don't tell me to calm down. You know the season I like them, bro. Oh, because you get free. Let me tell me to calm down, Abi. Because not try am. Because I dey respect you. Not tell you say ugliness not be old age. I dey look your face, bros. Anyway, Sha.
This game no be shy's play. You better get hurt. Concerning the day we dey go, I will reason with my baby.
My fault. My fault. That's why I call my friend.
No. Does she body you for this kind of matter? See Jerry.
Jerry, don't do that, man. This is everywhere, no good.
Good day, Jane.
I made a move immediately I got your message, sir.
Yes. That was exactly what happened. You see, I met with the CP, so he directed me to you. He told me that you can handle it. He said you should track the ACP. Who knows? She might be guilty of this allegation leveled against her.
Alright, sir. I've heard everything you said. Me and my boys will start working immediately.
Please do. You are our last hope. You have to help us, please.
I will, sir. You don't need to panic. But I will need the SCP's picture, since you said she looks so much alike a suspect.
Sure. I'll get you her picture. I'll get it.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
What's up? How did he go? The bike man fucked up. Shit.
The bike guy fucked up big time.
That is not the issue here. After all my running away from everybody and the policemen, I got to a point where I saw an uncompleted building. So I had no choice than to jump through the uncompleted building window. And the policeman held my bag, the bag full of money. So I had no choice than to leave the bag and escape through the other side.
Thank God you escaped. Thank God you left the bag of money there. If not, no one knows what would have happened. But what about the bike man?
He should be in the police custody by now.
This is bad. He's going to implicate you. I didn't mean I knew I would have involved Brodge J.
The bike guy cannot implicate me. He doesn't even know who I am. He's just a dude I met and I explained things to him. As a guy, a man that I thought he is, he agreed, knowing well that he's going to get a huge sum of money from the deal. So whatever happens to him is his business. It's none of my business. I believe he can take care of himself. But as for Bros J, don't worry. I'll calm him down. I'll talk to him or make him say reason. Okay? My plug in B now. I know where to plug in. He's always available anytime. Alright? So chill, baby. You know I love you. Smile for me. You should make a smile. Alright, let's go. Let me fix you up. Let me give you a treat.
Me and my boys are working on this. And please, just give us some time. In a very short while, very, very short while, we'll come out with good results.
Detective Mary, please, you have to be fast about this. As I speak with you, they are tracking my movements. I'm no more free. For me.
It's okay. I totally understand you. And like I said earlier on, in a very short while, all this will be over and you have your freedom back. Okay?
Yes, I believe your judgment. I'm counting.
That's all you need to do. Just trust me. Anyway, something to get our mind off this whole shit. Where are we going to lunch?
No, I just need to calm my brain.
I know. So lunch it is.
My guy, don't be so See, I just dream one small dream now. And when I flash in reality, you know what to do. Listen, instead of when the thing say we do like say we don't know what to do. See, we'll share the money 3 days after the heat.
No. Baby, I'm sorry, but I disagree with you on this one. We have to take the oath first before sharing the money. Yes.
Why? Yes, I agree with what T-Boss just said. Because anybody that does not take the oath with us will not partake in the sharing of this money.
Exactly.
Yes. To avoid any man begging any woman for money now. You know how we be now. You don't understand.
So, when are we going for the oath?
Well, from the look of things, I think it's tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow will be better. Hey, careful.
Una try for that on a job yesterday, una try. But there's just one little fuck up in it.
Which kind of fuck up in that?
The Chris. Is this guy a mad boy? Are you a mad boy? Which kind of nonsense talk with that? Is it Chris?
What happened?
The guys open your nigga, you're mad. You will tell for gee, you lucky.
What happened? One of the policemen is still alive and the news is everywhere.
Fuck up that one.
Fuck up again.
See.
Cool down.
The question will be your cool down.
What happened?
Down here now.
Bros J. Well,
we'll take care of that, okay? Right?
Yeah.
We'll take care of that.
What you carry me come here, no problem. I came for the metals and my balance.
You're a madman. You
my love is...
My love
is okay.
See, okay, you're a monkey. The fact that I'll kill you here. You're mad. I'll kill you. See, you're fucking, okay, your money and your balance is there. Baby, go give him. No problem. You see, in the tunnel road there. Now there, drop your materials and drop everything there and your bloody money. They're mad. You be police idiot. You were a police. I beg no be explaining guys. When they tell you about something, you talk so you can catch policeman, you get crazy.
They're crazy.
And go give him the thing money job.
Let me go now. Okay.
How much be the money, sir?
One. Now go give you your balance. No. You too, the para. Go collect your stuff.
Where's the place?
See her for inside that small thing. Hey, is there? Hey! You don't get business with any Ekelebe.
What do you mean?
What I mean, we no get business with any Ekelebe we go begin open your mouth. They yarn up akata about us tomorrow.
Tell me you are joking.
Do I look like AY? As I sexy rich, AY sexy like me. Do I look like AY will go enter stage begin the yarn joke with you, eh? Really? I'm sorry, but I'm giving you your stuff.
You don't believe?
Guys.
What's happened?
Everything is clean. It's clean and dusted. We don't need to worry about anything again. All we need to worry about now is the problem within us.
we need to tackle it to avoid the story that touches the heart.
Well, for you. Money will not reach heaven. If you carry ladder, go carry up. Anyway, it is settled in heaven. What is settled here is settled in heaven. With that decree, now tomorrow we'll take the oath. Wow.
Exactly. I know why we do this thing. Now one cast me, Abi. So that I'm not gonna mention her name, Abi.
Shut up there, you! I go. See,
don't tell me to calm down. Tell me to calm down.
Go. You lock yourself. See, if don't be saying that one or two, I really your hair.
But I won't make her not tell police, Abi. No wahala. No wahala. We go take the oath.
And Lucy, calm down. It's not what you think. Calm down.
Hey, Macham there. Macham. Don't tell me to calm down. Man, no change her for you.
No man, who you be?
They tell you me to
calm down. Talk to my corporate baby like that. See, whether you like him or not, 12 noon tomorrow, we all go take that oath.
Whatever. No, you are
Never. Catch her for me. Make her slap her. You
see? Hey, you see the kind of idiots you brought to me? You see the chicken-hearted person you brought to me? You see the kind of thing you brought to me? You see? Because of one thing. Because of one thing. Not because of you. Rasta, because of you. I'm going to waste this girl for a year. It's not for one thing. It's not for one thing. That is the kind of chicken which she will bring join us.
Lucy, where is that?
My blood is hot.
Yes, them. How na own be now?
I'm fine.
When I school things, so
Where they since now?
I did now. They don't want kind now. Ma, they go school now.
Wait, listen. Did you listen to last night's news on TV?
You concern news. Now they read my book. Why would I listen to news? This news help.
Some group of people walked from a mall. And they uses this ACP face, and the face is exactly like yours. In fact, it is you. Yes.
It is me.
Me. Yes.
You should say your village people never they worry me. It is me. How can I be me? I be policewoman. I be the trace. Me thunder fire you for there. What kind of talk is that? Is me? Are you calling me a thief?
I'm not calling you.
Me thunder fire you there. God punish your future generation. What kind of rubbish is this one now? Oh, you think I'm a thief like you? This hair, since I know you, this is hair you've been carrying. Am I sure you didn't even store this hair? What is that now? Don't you see me, oh? Which kind of talk with this one? This kind of beautiful money you are indirectly calling me a thief. That I went to a mall.
See, what are these lies now? Are you trying to tell us that you're not a twin? Lucy, how could you do such a thing?
See this one. How could I do? Your food generation, your mother, your food generation, and they be thief. See this one, oh. See this one, oh. You did Christmas and paper your face for you. What it be more? Oh, show me your face. You show me your face. See this idiot, oh. You come in.
Are you not?
I'm not getting that time, Sha. You see this one. Your parents even stole you. You that is a born criminal. You with a thief. They steal you from the hospital. You see they talk.
Lucy, you're a thief.
You man, I'm not getting your time.
Lucy!
You see they stand there. Man, run enter your life.
Lucy, what is it now?
Lucy! Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Leave her, let her go.
But that face is exactly like her face. If it is her.
You see that? Man, run now. Man, run enter your life. Man, punish your future generation. So that fire.
Lucy. What's happening now? What's the problem?
Why are you looking as if someone shot your mom? Which kind of question be this one?
Babe, talk to
me.
me.
Calm down now. Which one be this your question and answer sermon now? What did they do you be sax? Babe, you don't understand.
What's happening?
The news where I hear for school now, I no fit talk. I dey go house. I need to rest.
Come, you say about the news that is all over the place. I no be new thing now. Is that why you are running like this?
Which news?
No be new thing. May we just talk about it. Come, may we talk about it.
You don't hear.
I don't hear.
I go house. I need to.
Lucy, calm down.
Okay. I was even coming to see you. Did you hear about the news last night?
No. I went to the library last night. What about it?
About the criminal that came to rob GK shop last week.
It's not a new one now. I know they were robbed of 200 million naira.
Last night, at 9 p.m. news, they showed off one of the pictures of the criminals.
And what about it?
The picture shows one of our friends, Lucy.
Okay. How can you say such a thing about Lucy? You know Lucy behaves like a man, but she can't involve herself in such a criminal act.
Are you the one saying this? Do you go around the town?
Okay, please be careful. You know the words have ears.
See, the police is giving a huge amount of money to anybody that can give them any vital information. And if I can get hold of her, I will just take her to the police station. Trust me.
What are you still doing here? Take the police to her house now.
You and I know that Lucy did not tell anybody about her house. If not, I would have exposed her.
NK. Don't say I did not want you.
Oh, bless you. By the way, where were you going to?
I was going to see a friend.
A friend?
Yes. You don't know about her. Do you want to join me?
No problem. Let's go.
Good day, sir.
Yeah, officer.
How are
sir.
you?
Very fine, sir.
Have you interrogated them today?
No, sir.
And yesterday they didn't confess?
They didn't confess, sir.
See that in putting me into this thing. Relax, eh? Just calm down. Eh? Let your blood dey hot all the time. See, this oath, now for all of us, so all of us stay calm. And see, no they think say now because of you or something. No, you don't even know who they go arrest tomorrow. How you go ask that question? You don't know they go arrest. If it not be you. But now my face they use now. Now my face they use. Chill, babe. Nothing spoil. This thing we don't do, I'm not going to do it 2 times. Let's go and share the money.
You see what you done to my woman, huh? Why do you hate her this much? Why do you like picking problems with her? You see what you've done? Now she's bleeding like a dead cow. Oh, please, what is wrong with you?
Calm down.
What in your head?
You don't tell her what she
did. You did in your eyes.
You don't tell her what she did.
You don't want to know.
Okay, calm down. If you do man show, you nothing control your woman. Okay. If you do man show, you nothing control. You're not a man.
I go trust you one day.
This nonsense.
Matokagi.
You're not Pukadi yourself.
Matokagi.
Don't Pukadi yourself.
I go more than tell you come here, man.
I go tell you.
I go more than tell you.
I go tell you.
I go more than tell you.
Calm down. What? You have to talk to your woman. Calm down. You do my show for me. You be man? You get upset not decent not too far. Forget them. You think I don't know it's because of me you guys took this oath? It's okay. It's okay. Take it. Just stop all this nonsense.
I don't want to tell you.
Your face. No see so.
I don't want to tell you.
I got lost you there. You don't bath.
Shut up, all of you.
Calm down, okay?
My friend, you leave her. I'm a small girl. I think you want to mess with
This. Calm down.
You shut up and listen for once. Hey, just shut up. Shut up. You talk too much. You talk from here to heaven. Nobody would even hear you. All the bullshit talk, this and that. You heard what the high priest said. If anybody mentions anybody's name, death instantly. You die. You die instantly. And if you want to die, keep talking nonsense.
I said, that's your business.
It's okay for
my money, that's my
girl.
girl.
Don't forget to go to your belly.
You go forget what going on for your girlfriend belly.
I go forget bullet to your belly.
I go forget that for your girlfriend belly. Now God go judge you now. You not so you guys do this thing because I bet indicate me. I bet where
I'll forget what bullet to your belly one day.
God go judge you.
Let me take to my woman, but I'll forget what bullet to your body one day.
I bet bring black.
Lord, I love you, baby. Lord,
I told you, my guess wasn't wrong. Have you seen that your friend Lucy is a criminal? I said it to her, but she denied it.
Not only that, her picture is everywhere and she's most wanted now. The police are looking for her. But how can she do such a thing?
I used to think the money involved in catching her is what I'm interested in. Anyway, I see that girl, I would get hold of her and take her to the police station. At least, if I do that, my life will change for good.
Not only you, we're in this together. When we catch her and take her to the police, we'll share the money equally.
Yes. Let's go to school first. Come back and talk about it. Let's go.
Hey. Push, stop there. Have you seen what your stupid brother led my friend into?
What are you talking about?
Excuse me. Which of your friends did you say my brother led on?
Let me tell you. You both should just keep praying that nothing happens to my friend. Because if anything should happen to her, man, I will deal with both of you.
Babe, what can you do?
I'm telling you.
Okay.
Yes.
What can you do?
What if you do?
Nothing.
What can you do?
Okay. Yes. You both should just pray that nothing happens to her.
Let me warn you.
Because if anything happens to her, your brother know what he did. That's why he's on the run.
Stop talking too
You know what
much.
to
Wait
do.
now. Can you allow me talk? Let me warn you for a very last time. The last time you stopped me on this boat, myself and my sister, to warn me, I swear to God, I'll deal with you. I swear to God, I will deal with you. Don't ever say that nonsense. I will deal with. Look at this.
Nothing you feel do.
Nothing
you feel do.
I bet when I get out.
See this. Look at this one, though. Oh, wait, I don't understand. See this one. If you try me, I will try you for you. See this one. Let me match up to this butterfly. Don't try me, oh. See this one. Not that
I'll talk. She will talk. Yes. So, what really happened that day?
Officer Bassi, and the ACP were on our way to the bank from the shopping mall. On our way, the ACP asked Officer Bassi to stop. And she asked her voice to shoot at Officer Bassi. Unknowing to them that Officer Bassi survived the gunshot. That was what happened.
You are still lying. You are still lying. How can the ACP stoop so low to go to the shopping mall to the extent of going to the bar with you? How? Speak now.
I remember that day.
Come on, get out! Come on, get out! Get out! Get out! Move!
That was what happened. Even though the ACP and the criminal's face looked so much alike. Their voices were different.
How? What do you mean? What do you mean? Speak!
Officer, I'm telling you the truth.
As it talk?
The ACP I saw at the office. And the criminal that pushed me out of the car. Their faces looked so much alike. But the voices were different.
Yes. That's not the truth. You are not ready to say anything. Talk, young lady! Before I use this on you. Talk! I said talk! Talk!
That will not happen, officer, I swear that will not happen.
Today, sir.
Fine, sir.
Sir, they refused to confess. But the cashier said something about the day of the incident. She said the lady that pushed her down out of the car looked exactly like the XCP. But their voices are different.
So what is she trying to say? I mean, what is she really insinuating?
Sir, I'm confused here. I think there is a mistake somewhere. Is she trying to tell us that someone else disguised herself to look exactly like the ACP, carry out that act?
Anyway, let's go.
Madam, you don't need to worry yourself anymore. At least with information at hand, we'll be able to track down these criminals.
Oh, good.
Yes. Well, they left their car at a very bus stop and ran into the bush.
Really?
So from the look of things, they used the Ekene River bank as their escape route. Yes. So what I'm going to do is this. I will take the risk of driving down to Ekene village to make some inquiries.
Oh, that will be fine. That will be fine. Please, we need to act fast. As you know, my name is being dragged on the mud. Please, you just have to do this for me.
Why do you think they call me Special Detective Mary? I promised you from the onset that I'm going to get to the root of this.
Fine, please.
Good day, sir.
Good day. How are you?
I'm very fine. I'm so sorry to bother you. But please, are you from this village?
Yes, I'm from this village. I'm a fisherman. Hope there's no problem. Are you looking for someone?
Oh, you're a fisherman. That means you fish at Ekene River.
Yes, and there's no other river in this our side.
Oh, that's good to know. Okay, I am very sorry to bother you, please. It's just that I need a bit of information from you. Yes.
Information?
Yeah, please don't be offended. Did you by any chance see or hear about a group of people that passed through the river some days ago?
Group of people?
Yes.
Hi. Yes, that should be on Monday. Yes, on Monday. On Monday.
Exactly. Yeah. So that means you saw them?
Yes, I saw them. What actually happened was that I was at the river, so I heard some footsteps coming towards the riverside.
Okay.
So I hid myself. I saw some people carrying two big animals go. Two big animals go, and some guns with them. And from the look of things, I don't think they are from this village. They passed through the river, going to Umokoro village. Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. Are you sure about what you're telling me?
Hey, look, I'm sure. I said I saw them with my eyes. I'm very sure, yes, I'm sure.
Thank you very much for the useful information. No, I don't mind. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you. God bless you. I should be on my way right now. All right, have a nice day.
Hey, Mama.
So far, it's like the criminals are from Umokoro waterside. I've sent my boys down there to look around and fish them out.
Please, you have to try hastening them up, because for a week now, we've not been able to give the public any news about this incident.
I understand, sir. Don't worry. I promise you, this time we'll hold them down.
Please, do the best you can. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Worry less.
Well, yes, that is the information reaching us. The criminals are no longer at Umokoro waterside. Because my boys have been there all day, but they did not see anyone.
So what do we do now that my name is at stake?
To be very candid with you, SCP, this matter is no longer a local matter. So I think it's time you involve the national forces in this.
National forces? Why do we have to do that?
Because obviously the criminals are no longer in this state, which simply means they moved to another state. So for you to be able to tackle this, you need the help of the national forces.
I think you're right. Okay. Let me call my DPA to inform him about this. I am tired. How long I could dress like Fulani just to disguise myself? How long I could continue to dress like this? Just because of this act. I don't tire. Now even the school where I did go, I don't fit even continue because of this act. I had to get myself involved in this kind of thing. All I wanted was the money. And now I'm in a mess. Oh God. I need help. I need help. God, I need help. You just have to help me. I don't even get where I go wrong to. I don't know who I could turn to. I can't even walk freely. I can't walk freely because... Jesus God.
I told him about my friend, but he couldn't listen. So I see what he has caused. I want him.
I want Brother Jerry. See what has happened to him now. Thank God say it happened as it is for a dream, eh? So you girls thought that your stupid brother Jerry would mislead my friend and go scot-free, right? Eh? Sure, I don't see and say police don't quiet him. He don't die now.
See, Mimi, I don't have time for this your nonsense right now. Do you understand? Please, can you just leave here?
Oh yes, so
see, please
I will
leave here.
Now.
Leave here.
I will leave. But make I just advise you now small like this. See, you both should be very, very careful so that you two will not do what your brother did. Because if you do, police go buy you too.
Rubbish. Get out from here, please. Just go. Leave here now. What is wrong with you? I said you should leave here.
Nonsense. Go and cry away now.
You see what Brother Jerry has caused. People out there are just mocking us.
See, it's not only that it's dead. We can't even find this corpse. You can imagine. I can't go out in this ghetto anymore. People are seriously mocking us. You can imagine the embarrassment that I'm going through.
But I told you guys, you don't listen to me.
Joby, I want him. I want Jerry, seriously. I want him. But he never listened to me. You can imagine what has happened now. He's dead and I'm feeling very embarrassed in the ghetto.
How are you? My paper is complete. Your paper is complete. Let me see it.
Madam,
the class is okay.
Calm down.
Sorry, you're talking to me?
Madam, calm down!
Calm down. Why should I calm down? Are you the owner of the cab?
Madam, calm down.
Why should I calm down? Are you the owner of the cab?
Calm down! Shh! Calm down. Criminal!
What are you talking about? And why are you thrusting your gun on me?
I said you are a criminal.
Why are you thrusting your gun on me?
So you think after 2 months?
What's the meaning of this embarrassment?
Embarrassment? In as much as you have transmission yourself to be transfigured, we will still recognize you.
What are you talking about?
You are a criminal!
What? You just called me criminal? And what's this past 2 months shit you're talking about? Do you know me? Have you met me all your life? What's this?
Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Move it. Follow. Move it.
Madam, move. Stop pretending. Move.
I said move it.
Where am I moving to?
Do you want me to push you? Follow. Do you want me to push you?
Where are you taking me to?
Oh, the station. Move for interrogation. Let's go.
Fine, I'll go.
This way. Move it to the hills.
What about my luggages?
Follow.
I need to get my luggages.
Move it.
Officers, if that is the case, you guys will remain here. I will take them to the station now. Move it.
It's okay, I'm moving. Take it easy, I'm moving.
Move.
No, please, you have to go the other way. Don't touch me.
Move.
Don't touch me.
Move.
Hey, don't push me. You have to take the other way.
Move it.
Don't push me. What's this? You're embarrassing me. What's this? Driver, what's the meaning of this? Did you get up with this man? What's the meaning of this?
Move, driver, move.
What nonsense! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! I'm moving and don't touch me! What's your problem? Don't touch me! Are you sick? Are you the officer here?
Yes.
This so-called officer stopped me on the way and called me a criminal. Is that how you behave in this country? What nonsense is this?
Sir, this is the criminal we've been looking for the past 2 months.
Criminal? Are you for real? Criminal? What's happening here?
This is the criminal we've been looking for that robbed with ACP's image 2 months ago.
Are you serious? What are you talking about? I just got back from the States. And you're harassing me, you calling me a criminal? Are you for real? What the hell is happening here?
But how come you are not wearing a nose ring?
I said I don't know what you are talking about. I just came into the country from the States. My nose has been open for the past 10 years. And you're harassing me, you calling me a criminal? Like seriously? Do you know who you're messing with? Do you know who you are messing with?
Excuse me, since she's still denying, we have to take her to the ACP's office.
Exactly.
Officer, go to your little post with your men. I'll go with her and check.
Yes, sir.
Yes, come.
What, sir?
What? You are the idiot that has been dragging my name to the mud. Hold it right there. What are you trying to do? I wanted to slap you. That is what I was trying to do. Do you know I can sue you for this? First, your men called me a criminal, and now you're trying to slap me? Do you know who I am? Do you know I can sue you for this? What rubbish is this? Sue me? Can you imagine this? Anyways, I know how to handle people like you, idiots like you.
Inspector, I am so confused.
About what?
How can someone transform herself to the extent of using her image to rob another person? As in the same face, the same look, no difference at all.
What I don't understand is if that was a makeup or they are twins.
I am so confused.
Me as well.
But we're there here now.
That's all.
We will see it to the end.
That is it.
Well, now you know the situation of things. Can you tell me who you are? Okay, if you insist. My name is Linda Obase. I am the daughter to the former governor of CBN. Yes, the one that died in the plane crash. I have been in the state for the past 10 years now. I couldn't even attend his burial because of my studies.
Sir, Chief Obasi is a well-known man in this country. And he's responsible too, sir.
But how come you and ACP look so much alike?
I don't know. I wouldn't know. Well, now you know about me. Now can you tell me about yourself? Who are you? DPO.
Sir.
Jane. Sir. Leave us from handle from here.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, viewers. This is the news at 4. The news reaching from the AIG table concerning the issue of the unknown criminal that used her image to rob GK shopping mall. The AIG states that they has found a similar suspect, but the suspect is denying the accusation. So we are still looking for the criminal and we are seeking for public help. Anyone that has any vital information should run to a nearby police station to report. This is the news, and thanks for listening. I am Amarachi Mpamugo reporting.
I'm finished. So now me, Lucy. Now me, I be most wanted now. Me was kill Lucy. Was kill Lucy for area. Lucy will not agree. So now me, children and adults, they look for now. Ah!
You have to take the oath first before sharing the money. Yes.
Why? Yes, I agree with what T-Boss just said. Because anybody that does not take the oath with us will not partake in the sharing of this money.
Exactly.
Yes. To avoid any man begging any woman for money now. You know how we be now. You don't understand.
So, when are we going for the oath?
Well, from the look of things, I think it's tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow will be better for it to take the oath.
Yes. You guys are in.
Hey, careful.
Una try for that on a job yesterday, una try. But there's just one little fuck up in it.
Which kind of fuck up in that?
This is the Chris. Is this guy a mad boy? Are you a mad boy? Which kind of nonsense talk with that? You Chris?
What happened?
The Chris don't be a nigga, you're mad. You will turn for Gee, you lucky.
What happened? One of the policemen is still alive and the news is everywhere.
Fuck up that one.
Fuck up again.
See.
Cool down.
The Chris, you will be your cool down. I will
What
cool
happened?
you down here now.
Rosie. Well,
we'll take care of that, okay? Right?
Yeah.
We'll take care of that.
What you carry me come here, no problem. I came for the metals and my balance.
You're a madman. You
My
will
love
find
is...
the metal giving.
My love is okay.
See, okay, you're a monkey. The fact to take that down, kill you here. You're mad. I'll kill you. See, you're fucking. Okay, your money and your balance is there. Baby, go give him. You see, in the corner of the road there. Now, there, drop your materials and drop everything there and your bloody money. You're mad. You be police idiot. Huh? You were a police. I beg no vex, baby girl. When they tell you about something, they talk so you can catch policeman.
Make I just open up. After all, I don't keep person now. I don't fit talk. We keep person. No, I don't fit open up. Wait, I go do. Waiting, I go do. Just think. Waiting, I go do. Yes, I know what to do. I know what to do. No, waiting, I go to be that.
good. Idea must come now, not be me again. Not be me again, idea must come. I know what to do.
Imagine, Lucy, after what happened, she still came back as if nothing happened. Or did she use charm on the whole world that they don't recognize her? But she failed because I know she is the one.
She's a wolf in sheep clothing. If I get to see the policemen, I will tell them that she lied, that she didn't travel to any country. Those are her fake works.
But could she do such a thing? After running, she came back thinking she's free. Like,
my sister, I don't know. This world is getting to something else.
Like, seriously.
As in two sisters that are criminals, that look so much alike, as in twins, and they are denying it. My dear, it baffles me.
Hello.
It baffles me.
Yes, I'm in the office.
Sure, sir.
Oh, I'll come back to you. Did John's mother come here today?
No, sir. No, sir.
So nobody came. What of Officer Peter?
He just went out, sir.
Get me those files.
Good day, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You're welcome. So, how did it go?
Sir, you won't believe what happened today.
What? What happened? Is the girl the real criminal?
Have you forgotten? The ACP and Linda went for a DNA test.
Yes. And how did it go?
The blood is the same.
You are kidding. You can't tell me that.
I won't believe it myself. It's so confusing. Is it that they are twins or sisters?
That I can't tell. But what I know is that we must carry out our investigation. And those suspects, they must be brought to book. We must pin them down.
Exactly, sir.
We must.
I can't just believe what is happening. Anyway, let me rush to CP's office and give him the latest update.
Okay, I'll get back to my office. Thank you.
Don't touch
Don't tire. I am tired. How long I could dress like Fulani just to disguise myself? How long I could continue to dress like this? Just because of this act. I don't tire. Now even the school where I did go, I don't fit even continue because of this act. I didn't get myself involved in this kind of thing. All I wanted was the money, and now I'm in a mess. Oh God, I need help. I need help. God, I need help. You just have to help me. I don't even get where I could run to. I don't know where I could turn to. I can't even walk freely. I can't walk freely because... Jesus God.
You don't have to be confused. It is obvious that we are twins. All we should be talking about is how to find who our real parents are. Are you in any way saying she's our sister? And also the suspect? Who knows? She could be of help. Yeah, you're right, if you say so. You never can tell. Anything is possible. But the problem is, how are we going to go about it? You're right. That's what we'll be thinking next.
Madam, what were you telling me on the phone last night? You mean she's your sister?
Oh yes, she is. That is what the DNA test confirmed.
Such a cruel world. So that practically means you're a twin and you didn't know?
Yes, I am. But you know, that's not my problem now. My major problem now is how to fish out that criminal so I can have my peace back.
Don't worry about that. We're already on it.
You need to act fast. You've been telling me this for the past 3 months, and yet we've not fetched out the criminal.
ACP, I keep my words. I promised, and I'll fulfill it. Don't worry, in no time everything will come back to normal. Okay?
We'll see to that. Salam alaikum.
Malaikum salam.
I have a message for you, madam. Yes, from the station.
What is that?
What is it?
One person give me, the person will give me this letter. Say make I give you. Say he come from your station.
My station. Leave.
Okay, madam.
I am the one in that picture. It is obvious that I am putting you into trouble, and I am ready to show up. If only you promise you won't arrest me. Think about it and send me a message. Mind you, do not call. Here is my number.
Come. What did you say gave you this envelope?
Make I check. Feel like say you don't come out too.
She's gone.
Anything the matter?
No problem.
Nothing go make madam they shout my name like that. Sure, say person never die.
What happened? I heard your voice from upstairs. What is the matter?
What is this?
I am the one in that picture. It is obvious that I am putting you into trouble, and I am ready to show up. If only you promise you won't arrest me. Think about it and send me a message.
I don't see any problem here. All you need to do is to text her.
Send her a text. I'm confused. I don't know what she's up to. And she warned me not to contact the police.
You don't have to be. Okay? Just text her first and let's start from there.
Okay. I'll do that. Let's see how it goes.
Roger, I been no vex for me. You know, I got sent to Abuja, ma go hustle now. You know how to be back in the days.
Yeah. Back in the days after my business partner duped me. I also had issues with T-Bus. I went back to the streets, and after that, some issues with her. Anyway, what about your guy?
Jerry. Oh, Roger, please forget about that one. Can you imagine? He finished spending his money and now he's broke as hell and he wants me back. I don't have his time. Please, Roger, have you seen or heard from Lucy? I don't know if she's dead or alive.
Anyway, back to the business you were telling me about. I'm all ears.
Roger, the business involves $50,000 US.
50,000 Benjamins. It's a good business, good money.
It's clean. Business is clean. As in, I have every information. Roger, I understand. I understand. You are good, Roger. Yes.
You think you can track my number? Listen, the earlier you wise up, the better for both of us.
Hello. So what's the next step right now? Yeah. What? You mean her number is switched off right now? Okay. That's not a problem. Let me see what I can do. I'll call you right back. Yes, I'll get back to you. Okay. Okay. Bye.
What did she say? You see, I told you that we should not send Mary, but you insist that we should send her. Now she noticed that we are tracking her. I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do anymore because I don't know what to tell Mary. She might not believe me. Well, the best option is for you to send her a message. Yes, send her a message. You never can tell, she might reply you. Do you think she's angry? Maybe I should wait for her to calm down before I send her a message. Maybe like next week. You know, network is still tracking her line, so she probably won't be close to her phone. So maybe I should wait. You never can tell. Just try your luck. Send her a message. She might reply you. Okay, friend is here. Here she comes. Oh, talk of the angel. Hi, Detective Mary.
Hello, ACP. Hi, Linda. I didn't meet anyone as I got there yesterday.
Oh, you didn't? Not to worry. She actually called before you called, so that means she was within the building.
Shit. I thought as much. So what do we do now? Because I even tried calling the network company, but they said they can't track our line because it's switched off.
What's next? What's next? What next? What are we going to do? Okay, you know what? I don't think I'll be needing your services anymore.
Really?
Yes, leave her to me. I can handle her.
Really?
Yeah, she can.
Are you forgetting we're dealing with a hardened criminal here?
I know, that's not a problem. Don't worry. Everything will be fine, right? Yeah, not to worry. Everything's gonna be fine.
Anyway, I would say it was a pleasure for me to help. Or do I say it's a pleasure for me to help?
Same here.
And please, do not hesitate to call me anytime you need my help. Anytime.
I will.
Be good.
I will.
Bye, ACP.
Bye.
Bye, Linda.
That's the best you could do. Might well.
Baby. Baby, can't you hear the noise?
What's up?
The noise coming from your car. I saw of yours. Please park so that we'll check it.
I don't get it.
Hey now.
Every place doesn't look good to me.
What do you mean this place does not look good? You want to risk our lives. Please, our lives is very important. Park now so that we'll check it.
Okay, alright.
The noise is so obvious. Check it.
Hey, this place.
I know, but just calm down. Check it. Because this kind of things that leads to accident. Do you want us to have a sleep? Check.
Are you? Open up. Bring him. Get out of here.
Negative state, nothing further, just take care of me at a border. Anything across in the third wall.
Guys, let's go! Come on! Yeah! Yeah, definitely! Move it! Move it! Move it! Down! Hey! Yeah! Let's go! Move it! Let's go!
Call back for 862 negative state, nothing further, just take care of me at a corner.
Yes, I know the place. No, not at all. I promise I'll come along this time. Okay. So, what's on our meeting? Alright, bye. Alright, bye. What does she say?
She said I should meet her by NCC Bush Park by 11 a.m. And she warned that I should not involve the police.
You see? I told you to give her a try. If you hadn't done that, she wouldn't have given you an appointment. But make sure this time you don't tell any of your friends. It's gonna work out, trust me.
I know. And I just hope she will feel on that of her promise.
Yeah, she's gonna do that. It's okay. At least we're moving on. Yeah.
Go! Yeah! Let's go, man! Hear my baby's voice. Oh.
Shit! Ah! Shit! Surrender!
Maybe I should call her.
No, don't do that. Remember she said you shouldn't call her. Maybe she should send her a text. You never can tell, you don't know why she changed the location.
So you're saying I should text her?
Yes, that's what she should do.
Okay then. Just come with us, like I promised.
Hey! Hold it right there. Don't come any closer. I can't believe what I'm saying. How come you look so much like us?
I know. So what's the way forward? I won't arrest you. Come, even if you try, you can't. Because I know all your movies. Yes, I know. For you to put up that act in that mall, it shows you are smart. Please, come with us. Let's go up to our house, I beg you. So that we can get to know ourselves and tell us what to say you want to tell us.
Please come with us. But promise, we're not going to arrest you. Just come with us to our house. Please.
Okay. You say so. Let's go.
Don't worry, we're fine, okay? Let's go.
Disfigure your face if you don't open your mouth and tell me the truth now. Open your mouth and say something! I said say something now! Say something! Tell me what I need to know. Now! Now! Say something. Tell me the truth. Are you deaf? Say something now! Now!
Officer, this is one of the criminals that they just brought to the station.
Officer, I know this face. She's one of the robbers that attacked us that day. Yes.
Officer, listen! Let's go!
Shut up and lie down now!
Hey, put your door! Open the door! Open the door! Open it! Don't beef like you! Don't beef like this!
Yes. Please. Because of you and your co-criminals, I have been like this for months now.
Do you know her?
Yes.
Yes.
I've seen marvels that craving and look alive. I'm speechless.
So what is your name? My name is Lucy Aziza. I'm from Bonso village. I know you're going to be surprised to see that we look alike. But I'm not surprised. What? Do you mean you know us? No, I don't. But I've been praying all my life to meet the both of you. As God will have it, I have met the both of you. How do you mean? My mother told me before she died that I have 2 half-sisters. That makes us triplets. My father died 1 year after giving birth to us. And then, my mother had to sell 2 of my sisters, which is both of you, to 2 different orphanages. In that way, we will never get to meet each other. And that's how we got separated. What a word. Wow. So you made your sisters. Oh. So what led you into this that you get to sell into this ugly mess? What? It's a long story.
It's okay, guys. I'm okay with the plan. Yes. I mean anything for money, I can do it. I can do anything for money. So far, we no keep person, I'm in the game.
Yeah, baby, I trust you. I know you can deliver. That's why I brought you in.
Heartless girl. Jalunjong Madusha.
Take a look at these pics. This one I mean now.
We're going to make you look like her. With that way we can deceive the police. And the link road. Okay? Okay. Yes. We take the money, take them out, and we leave. Swift. That's the way it is.
Wait. Does it mean you are going to kill them? Are you afraid of blood?
I wonder. I said we take them out.
Take am easy now. Why did you look me like that? I just had a simple question. Anyways, how am I going to do my hair? What will I do to my hair?
Don't worry, baby. I'll take care of that. I'll make arrangements.
So far now money, we go collect her now. We go run am.
My baby will fix you.
That is still not be child's play. Not be normal. True? I never seen this kind of one before. I didn't know it was that. I didn't know it was that difficult now.
If it wasn't for the fact that we were strong enough, so for your panel, tell you.
Anyway, now wait for the strong. We still remain the strongest.
Well, I'm very happy this whole operation went successfully. We conquer, as usual. I'm very happy it went successfully. Black baby, come on, tell us what is happening at the shopping mall.
This case no be moi. This case no be bobo juice. One of our cashier and one policeman wey sustain injury from your bullets. They dey police custody.
Wait, you mean now? You mean all the ratata? Why give that police guy? The guy still there alive? Survived my bullet. Me, Jerry, aka Amosu, my bullet.
I dey tell you the truth, Jerry. This one you dey here dey talk. The matter now be say still dey police station because the both of them recognize the ACP. So now make the Inspector General of Police order the arrest. Say me they still remain there. Problem there.
Wait, Black. You don't work for police station? Yes! How you think now about all these things? Eh? Okay, what if this information wey they give us now, what if say they wrong?
Jerry, you don't forget now for shopping mall they work, not be where they work. And the information where they reach us, so.
That's that one that looks like me now. They recognize her. Hey. So what are we going to do? What are we going to do?
I think the best thing to do now is for us to share the money so everybody will find their way.
Better.
Yeah. Yes, that's what it is. In fact, me, I'm going to disguise myself, moving to another state and probably start a new business.
Eh? Bros, hold down for that. Disguise waiting. What did they disguise? What about me? You go disguise yourself, change your face. What about me when they use it? You know, see that policewoman? That girl, now me be that one. Oh, you won't leave me here so that let me go face the consequences, Abi? Now what do you want to, bros? It not go happen. Oh, my man, what is that now?
Baby, calm down. Every time your blood will do, calm down for once. Nobody is abandoning you and neglecting you, okay? Let's share the money for it. Later we'll go reason, we'll talk matter. I got your back, okay?
See, to prove our sincerity, we are going to take an oath to protect each other in case police get any of us. We will not mention each other's name. If we do, that person will die. Huh? Yes, that is the only solution there.
Yes, I agree with you. She's right. The fact remains, we don't know where to take the road. Where we're going to take that road.
Baby love, relax. Just relax. I know one man. He's a very strong native doctor. He will do it for us. Yes.
You know, say your lines, they always bust my brain. And every time they talk, they enter my cerebellum. See, are they in line with you, they talk, eh? Are they game? When will they go there?
You won't go take Otun. I won't escape this thing because of Oath, Abi. And I won't use Oath to escape her. Anyway, shall not blame you. I'm not blaming. Now you laugh like on my own chenkers. Now you go involve me for this nonsense. Now if you make me vex now, go slap your face, design your face, and your face will change the same color. What kind of rubbish is this one now?
If you calm down now,
no, tell me to come about smash up there. Don't tell me to calm down. You know the season I like babe, oh. Oh, because you get free. Let me tell me to calm down, Abi. But not try because I dey respect him. I tell you, say ugliness not the old age. And then look your face, bros. I'm not anyway, Sha.
This game no be shy's play. You better get hurt. Concerning the day we dey go, I will reason with my baby.
And my fault. That's why I call my friend.
All we need to worry about now is the problem within us. We need to tackle it to avoid the story that touches the heart.
Well, for you. Money wey don't reach heaven, you fit carry ladder go carry am. Anyway, it is settled in heaven. What is settled here is settled in heaven. With that decree, now tomorrow we'll take the oath.
Exactly. I know where they do this thing. Now one cast me, Abi. So that I no go mention her name, Abi.
Shut up there, you! I go. See,
don't tell me to calm down. Tell me to calm
down. You lock yourself. See,
if you be saying that one or two, I will. Your hair.
Well, I won't make a no tell police, Abi. No wahala. No wahala. We go take the oath.
And Lucy, calm down. It's not what you think. Calm down.
Hey, Matcham there! Matcham! Don't tell me to calm down. Man, no change her for you.
No man, who you be?
They tell you me to
calm down. Talk to my corporate baby like that. See, whether you like him or not, 12 noon tomorrow, we all go take that oath.
Whatever.
See, this oath, now for all of us, all of us stay calm. And see, no they think say now because of you or something. No, you don't even know who they go arrest tomorrow.
How you go ask that question? You don't know they go arrest.
If it not be you.
But now my face they use now. Now my face they use.
Chill, babe, nothing spoil. This thing we don't do, I'm not going to do it 2 times.
Let's go and share the money.
You see what you done to my woman, huh? Why do you hate her this much? Why do you like picking problems with her? You see what you've done? Now she's bleeding like a dead cow.
Oh, please,
what is wrong with you?
Calm down.
What in your head?
You don't tell her what she
You don't tell her eyes.
You don't tell her what she
You don't want to know.
Calm down. If you do man show, you not control your woman. Okay. If you do man show, you not control. You're not a man.
I go chop you one day.
This nonsense.
Matokagi.
You're not focusing yourself.
Matokagi.
Don't argue yourself.
I go more than tell you come here.
I go tell you.
I go more than tell you.
I go tell you.
I go more than tell you.
Calm down. God, this is one of words. You have to talk to your woman. Calm down. You do man show for me. You be man. You get upset, not decent, not too far.
Matokagi.
Forget them.
Matokagi.
You think I don't know it's because of me you guys took this oath? It's okay. It's okay. Take it. Just stop all this nonsense.
I go more than tell you.
Your face. Don't see so.
I go more than tell you.
You don't beat. I don't lost you there. You don't bath. Don't join me.
Shut up, all of you.
Calm down, okay?
My friend, you leave her. I'm a small girl.
She got this on this. Okay.
Hey,
calm down.
You shut up and listen for once. Hey, just shut up. Shut up. You talk too much. You talk from here to heaven. Nobody would even hear you. All the bullshit talk, this and this and that. You heard what the high priest said. If anybody mentions anybody's name, death instantly. You die. You die instantly. And if you want to die, keep talking nonsense.
That's your business.
It's okay
for my money. That's
one
like
day I go forget to go out to your belly.
You go forget what's going on for your girlfriend belly.
I go forget bullet to your belly.
I go forget that for your girlfriend belly. Now God go judge you now. You not so you guys do this thing because guy I bet
I never intend to turn out this way. It's not intentional. But due to the hardship of this country, I had to take the bull by the horn. By now, I'm supposed to have finished my university. But due to finance, I'm still in my second year. Even the school I am admitted into right now, I had to labor very hard to admit myself, to get myself into the school. And our mother died while I was still in secondary school, and I had no one to take care of me. I labored very hard until I got to a point I couldn't take it anymore. Then I got myself into this ugly act. I'm sorry. I never meant to tarnish your image. Please find it in your heart to forgive me. Please. What a sad story. I'm so sorry for everything you've been through. Okay? Very pathetic. Sorry for everything. Well, sorry for everything. But the court has to take its course. What? I will not allow you to do that to my sister. Not in this life and not in the next one. Have you forgotten she's also my sister? She dragged me into this, and I can't let her go just like that. Crying out loud, she did that because the government refused to provide for the less privileged. They refused to provide for the poor. How did you expect her to survive? How? You are supporting evil. She has to face the consequences of her evil acts. Where's my phone? Yes. Right. I will not allow you to do this. Okay, fine. Now tell me, how much will it cost for this case to die? Because I am not going to watch you take my sister to jail. Never. Speak. Let me remind you
that this is not a politics game. You can keep your stupid money to yourself. Rubbish. Come over to my house.
Well, the best option is for you to send her a message. Yeah, send her a message. You never prepare, she might reply. Do you think she's angry? Maybe you should wait for her to come before I send her a message. Maybe like next week. She actually called me for a call. That means she was What are you trying to do? I wanted to scratch you. That is what I was trying to do. Do you know I can sue you for this? First, your men called me a criminal.